First, turn off the water supply by turning the valve clockwise. Next, flush to empty any water in the toilet. Take off the toilet seat by removing the bolts under the plastic cap between the seat and the tank. Place the seat coupling holes over the bolt holes and set the bidet attachment so that its spout is centered with the toilet bowl. Align the movable mounts with the bolt holes on the toilet. Now, using bolts and a screwdriver, attach the toilet seat on top of your bidet. Connect the provided flexible hose to the bottom of the bidet. Hand tighten until secure. Unscrew the water supply hose from the toilet. Next, screw the adapter to the toilet tank. Attach the flexible hose from the bidet to the adapter. Attach the water supply hose to the adapter. Now, turn on the water supply by turning the valve counterclockwise. Finally, adjust water pressure and angle to your liking by turning the water pressure adjuster and nozzle mode selector. Now, stay clean and stay ready. Learn more at pureformen.com.